Hey guys, welcome back to La Mess Farm. We will share to you our breeding journey as it's one of the things we need to focus on to achieve sustainability. It's a good morning here, so while I'm walking, I asked myself, how long shall we wait until we achieve our goal to be fully sustainable? What if we take action now? But first, we need to understand what truly is being sustainable. Well, it is simply meeting the needs of the present without running out. So, while I was ordering our new batch of broilers for our meat production, I asked myself again, what if pandemic happens again? No transportation, so that means no supply. Then that's totally not sustainable. So we decided to start doing a breeding trial. Since we have a relative who's been breeding chickens, we brought our fertile eggs to them and tried if the hens and rooster we have are effective. By the way, we are breeding our old hens, our layer hens, with our native chicken rooster. So far, so good. Since we successfully hatched 6 chicks out of 15 eggs, we just need to improve our egg handling. There are a lot of things to learn as well about it. We will share to you in a different video. Since we want to improve our breeding process, we bought another 2 male Rhode Island Red roosters since they said they are a good breed, which we got from the next village. So here they are, and I will show you as well where we got it. But let me just go ahead and deal with these 2 roosters first. I am bringing them to our farm. They're for sure one of the keys to success in our sustainability. So right now I'm going to show you where we got our chickens. I mean the Rhode Island Red, and they look really good. Look at that. They have goats, white leghorn, natives, and Rhode Island Red. Look at them. They're so nice to look at. Beautiful. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. It's what time is it? It's 3:54, and I'm charging my GoPro because I'm gonna do some vlog today. So let's go, guys. So let's go. So going back to our breeding journey, we decided to buy our own incubator. We got it from an online shop here in the Philippines. It's called Shopee. So this is an automatic incubator. Well, it's working fine. We just have to improve our handling because there are a lot of eggs that didn't hatch. So it's really a great idea that we started. Now we know what to improve next. At least we took the first step, and we are confident that next year we will have many chickens of our own. Next target is our own feed. So make sure to subscribe now because there are more to look forward at Lames Farm, which you can also apply in your own farm. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Kindly check the description below because we attach links of our videos, which will surely help you also. And please like and share this video. See you on our next vlog.